Hey guys, so I've shown you how to successfully submit your first Vivid Aligner case in the MyVivid portal. Now let me show you how to review your first case when you receive the design back from our design team. Let's go. When your case has been designed in the MyVivid portal, you'll see a button ready for you to review. Now click the Review button. Here we'll see the Vivid Viewer pop up with the teeth in the design that you had requested. You can toggle both arches around. You can look at the upper and the lower. The widget on the right-hand side is actually going to show you how many trays are in your aligner case. In this particular case, we can see that there are 12 aligners on the upper and 12 aligners on the lower. It also has attachments and IPR. When you click the little eye icon, you can deselect Pontics, IPR, or attachments so that you can view the teeth movement a little more clearly. On the left-hand side, you can see the different tooth views. A single upper arch, a single lower arch, arches in occlusion, front, and both sides. Let's take a look at our treatment plans. You can actually look at older versions and approve older versions if you want to revert back. Maybe you like the second version better than the first, or the third. And so you decide to actually go with that version and you want to approve that treatment plan as opposed to the third. That's perfectly fine. Here, let's submit the case for review. Put in your notes for review or any changes you'd like and click Submit. After you click Submit, a pop-up box will show up letting you know what's next. Click Close. This will bring you back to your dashboard and you'll be all caught up. In the next video, we'll show you the DFA or the doctor-facing app where you can move the teeth and edit them all by yourself.